to fold this paper airplane, we can use a A4 paper. If you have that size paper, we can also fold this plane. We just cut about 1.9 centimeters along the long edge. Okay, first fold the right edge to the left edge. Then open it up, and we have a mounting crease in the middle. And then take the corner and fold it to the center crease. Remember, leave a little gap here. Also, do the same on the other side. Okay, after we fold the two triangles, we will make a mark from the back edge to make the point fold to this. On the A4 paper, we will find 5.3 centimeters from the back edge. We'll fold this top point to this point we marked, and make sure the creases are in a line. Next, we will take the corner and fold to the center crease. Also, leave a small gap. Do the same on the other side. And then fold them back. Fold the out edge to the crease we just made. Also, leave a small gap between the out edge and the crease. Also do the same other side. Then we fold in on the existing creases. Let's fold the top point up as far as it can go, and make sure all the creases are in a line. Press it. Okay, and we will fold it in half along the center crease. Before we can do next, we should mark 2 points where we can fold the wing. First, let the ruler be perpendicular to the bottom. Find the point 1 centimeter from the bottom and mark it. Okay. Next, also we will find the point 2.4 centimeters. Okay. Then we will use 2 rulers to fold this point to this point. To make it as straight as possible, I will put the ruler on the wings and then use another ruler, slide in the 2 rings and then raise the ruler up. And then you can see a straight crease here. Okay, let's press it again to make it more clear. Cool. And flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. And this side will easy to fold. And then we also need to make 2 points, and then we will fold last part, and we also need to mark 1 centimeter from the bottom edge. Also, to make it as straight as possible, place 1 ruler, slide another ruler, and then raise it. Okay. Adjust the 2 wings, the plane almost will, and we can adjust the wings to make it flat wheel. Okay, this is the A4 paper. This is the letter size paper. Okay, it's finished. Thank you for watching.